Earlier this week, we had raised a poll to which video you wanted us to do next. And we got 60% of people asking for Fyde OS. Hello everyone. And welcome back to Snap Magic channel. Let us watch how to install Fyde OS today. Fyde OS is an operating system that is based on the Chromium OS as you know it. But before we start, please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more engaging videos. You can start by downloading the Fyde OS. The link is given in the description. Click on download button. Our processor comes in between 3rd and 8th generation. So we are clicking the first link. If above that, click on the second link. If you are having AMD processor, please do wait. Since it is coming soon, we will update you in our community post. There are 3 download links. Select any one which you feel is comfortable. We are going with Mirror 1. Now click on download a copy button. And download the image file. Also download Balena Etcher, which is used to flash OS images to USB drive. Link to download is provided in description. Now 2 files are downloaded. Extract FydeOS zip file. Double-click on Balena Etcher and install. Select Flash from File. And select the downloaded FydeOS image file. Insert your USB drive. Now select the target drive. Now click on Flash. Now partition is getting created inside the USB. Press Escape to remove the pop-ups. Close all programs. And restart your system. Go to BIOS Setup and enable USB boot. And boot mode to legacy support. Exit and save the changes. Your system is now booting to Fyde OS. Choose your preferred language settings. Click on Installer button. Select Full Disk Installation. Fyde OS will install in your target drive. Click Install. Shut down the system and remove USB drive. FydeOS comes with minimalist design throughout with intuitive user interface that looks familiar. Fyde OS boots up in seconds from cold, even with entry-grade hardware. It's ready whenever you are. Fyde OS is bundled with built-in virus protection and encryption by default, keeping your data safe. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more engaging videos.